Hi, welcome to my channel Yum Curry, and this is Pragya. Today we are going to make Palak paneer restaurant style. So let's get started. So to make Palak paneer, we need ginger, garlic, onions, green chilies, turmeric powder, salt, oil, butter, spinach, paneer, fresh cream, and garam masala. So for this recipe, I have chopped my ginger in two ways. One is finely chopped and the other one is cut in very thin slices. So to make Palak paneer, the first step is to blanch the spinach. To do that, boil the spinach in hot water for around 8 to 10 minutes or until it becomes velvety in texture. Now turn off the heat and transfer it immediately to the ice-cold water. This process is called blanching. Blanching is required in this recipe so as to retain the color of the spinach. Also, don't waste the green water came out from the spinach. You can use that water to knead the dough and make green rotis and serve it with palak paneer. Looks nice. Now the spinach has cooled down, transfer it to the blender and blend it very smooth. Do not add water in this process. Now heat a pan and add 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in it. In this step, I have used oil so as to prevent the butter from burning. Now add finely chopped ginger and garlic. Fry it for few minutes on medium heat. Now the texture of the ginger and garlic has become little brownish. It's time to add the next ingredient. Add finely chopped green chilies and finely chopped 1 medium-sized onion to it. Fry it for a few minutes until the onion becomes translucent. Now it's time to spice it up. Add turmeric powder and garam masala at this stage and mix it well. I generally don't add coriander powder in this recipe, but if you like it, you can add it. Now it's time to add spinach or palak puree to it. Mix it really well. Now reduce the heat and add fresh cream. You can find this fresh cream very easily in the market. In this particular recipe, I have used Amul's fresh cream. Now add some salt and mix it well. Now this is my favorite step. And this is definitely optional, but if you can do it, please do it. All you need is a live coal. Coal is very easily available in the market. So all you need to do is put the coal on high flame and let it heat. When the coal becomes active, put it in a bowl and place the bowl very gently on top of the palak. Now add 2 teaspoons of ghee onto it and immediately cover it with the lid. Let the coal's flavor infuse in it. So leave it for around 2 minutes. Now take off the lid and very gently remove the coal from palak. Give it a little mix. Now it's time to add my favorite ingredient, paneer to palak paneer. Before adding it to the palak, I always put my paneer cubes into hot water. This improves the texture of the paneer and makes all its edges really smooth. Now it's time to add the thin strips of ginger. This is totally optional, but I really prefer it. If you can, do try this step. Let the palak paneer cook for few more minutes. Now finish the palak paneer with a hint of lime. Add a teaspoon of lime juice into palak paneer and mix it well. Turn off the heat and your palak paneer is ready. So that was my take on Palak Paneer. Do give it a try, and if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also like Yum Curry if you haven't, and stay tuned for more videos. Bye-bye. Blanching is required. So before adding